Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a story that sounds almost unbelievable: the Great Emu War. Yep, you heard that right. Birds versus humans. Get ready to be amazed. In the 1930s, Down Under witnessed a war like no other. A war between Australian farmers and an unexpected enemy: emus. These flightless birds became the stars of an epic showdown, and we've got all the feather-ruffling details. Let's set the scene, shall we? It's 1932, post-World War I, Australia is reeling from the Great Depression. Enter the farmers, already struggling, and their arch-nemesis, the emus. These emus, driven by drought and hunger, descend upon farmlands, wreaking havoc on crops and livelihoods. As the emu population surged, the farmers couldn't take it anymore. They needed a solution, and boy did they come up with a plan. Introducing the military. Yep, the Australian government sent in Major GPW Meredith armed with 2 Lewis machine guns and a bunch of soldiers. Their mission? To eliminate the emu threat once and for all. But little did they know, this would be no ordinary battle. The emus were fast, elusive, and incredibly intelligent. As the soldiers opened fire, the emus scattered, making it tough to hit their targets. Plot twist. The emus fought back. They displayed incredible agility, dodging bullets with ease. And just when you think things can't get crazier, the machine guns jammed. The emus seized their moment and escaped, mocking the soldiers. The emus won, humans 0. The media had a field day, dubbing it the Great Emu War. Headlines worldwide couldn't resist the story of birds outsmarting the military. So, what happened next? Well, after 6 days of intense combat, the government decided to withdraw the troops. The emus had won the battle, leaving the farmers frustrated and the world utterly amused. In the second wave, though, it was reported that almost 1,000 emus were killed and 2,500 injured. Despite this, even though the emus took heavy damage, they still managed to win. The Great Emu War might have been a quirky chapter in history, but it's a reminder that nature can surprise us in the most unexpected ways. And that's a wrap on the wild tale of the Great Emu War. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories from history and beyond. Until next time, stay curious.